Let's now take a look at Canvas, the first assignment, and Bloomberg Market Essentials. When you, obviously you're on Canvas now, but when you look at it, let me just point out a few things here. One is there are only 3 sections you have access to. One is the home. Everything is based on the home page. All your modules, everything you need is here. We then have Blackboard Collaborate, where we can meet, we can have discussions. And then the last is your grades. I'll update grades as each assignment is completed, so you will have a very good understanding of where you are. On the far right side here, what you're going to see is a to-do list, and this is everything you will need to do through the semester. And you can see all of the requirements right there. When you look, you can adjust these if you'd like. So if you want to go deeper, you click there and it goes deep. If you want to make it go less, you do that. Let me just point out here, you have the review of knowledge, is that I assume that you have a foundation in accounting and a foundation in Excel and formatting in Excel. But if you don't, what you can do is if you click on this, it will take you over to LinkedIn Learning, which is part of what you have on your home page, Geneseo homepage. And when I click, it comes up, and the class will come up, and it will tell me everything I need to do. It's a video, and it will help you prepare. There's a lot of good information out there. I encourage you to take a look at it and see what you can learn. Everything is laid out. We have our quizzes, our application project, Bloomberg Market Essentials. So everything, and I encourage you just to keep it closed and keep it in an order so that it makes some sense to you. Everything will be here, and when you click, you're going to find what we call pages. These are pages, and in it you're going to find, by now you have already looked at this video, and it gives you a sense of what's going on, and all the lectures are there supported by a PowerPoint. I will post supplemental materials, but everything is here as we know today. Will I go and revise it as we move forward? Oh, yeah, I will, because things are changing so rapidly. But everything's out there is what you need to do. I might tweak things up a little bit, but it's all there for you to start and plan at your own pace. The first assignment that we have, and that's right here, getting to know each other, which needs to be completed by May 20th. And if you click on that, it is going to take you over to this page, and we're in a virtual environment. But how can we still engage as individuals with each other? How can I engage with you? In my opinion, in this crisis, we need to engage more than ever. The first assignment can be at this link, and you can do either here or here. And if you click, you're going to go to something called Flipgrid. And this is first assignment, and you can see them waving there at you. To get to know each other better, your first challenge will be to prepare a 90-second video to introduce yourself. This would include the basics, then something that I can remember you by. Some of you I know. Where geographically are you at the moment? What had you hoped to be doing this summer? And then what are you doing? What do you hope to gain from this course? How are you doing? What's the first thing you want to do when things open up? And what you do, and everything you need is right here. And you just click on this green button, and you can record a response. I would show you, but I can't because I only have one camera. And use some creativity here. If you don't like what you've done, it's everything, the technology is all there. You can do anything you want. But I want to really get to know you, and then after you create yours, go back and look and comment on other people's. Just go through and respond and have a dialogue like we're in person. And that takes us care of assignment number 1. It needs to be done by Wednesday, May 20th. We are on the 6-week schedule, so we do need to move as quickly as we can. The other thing I want to talk about is show you while we're here is the Bloomberg Markets Essential Certification. So if you click on that, you're going to find this page, and as you click on it, what you're going to find is the instructions. So you go to the following link, and it looks like this, and you sign up as a learner, and you have to use your Geneseo email to do that. So that's the first step. Next thing you're going to do is when you go in, you're going to enter this class code to begin your journey. It is free. If they ask for your credit card information, don't provide that. I'm still working on that at the moment, but it should be available there for your use. If it's not, we won't be doing it. We'll come up with something else. And as you can see, this goes through. You're going to be quizzed as you go to make sure it's more about comprehension, and you will be dealing with the core concepts, getting started on the terminal, portfolio management, everything you need to know. And then once it's done, you're going to get a certificate. The whole thing should take you about 12 to 15 hours, not much more than that. And this will give you an additional skill that demonstrates technology. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask.